Hello, dear students. So let's today discuss the question and answers of your chapter, the Prawning version. That was a very small and beautiful chapter. So the question and answers are very easy. The first one is comment on the attitude shown by Teplo towards his teacher Crocker Harris. Teplo is a student of Crocker Harris. Crocker is a very strict teacher. He is a man of principles. He never declares the result before official announcement, like some other teachers told the result even before the result declaration day. But Crocker Harris was not so. He gives extra work to Teplo on the last day of the term. He does so because Teplo had missed a day during the week for being ill. See, there was a genuine reason he was absent, but still, he was given the extra work. Crocker Harris is not a good teacher in the eyes of Teplo because he said the Aeschylus, Agamemnon, the way it is taught to the students is not interesting. So he's not a good teacher. He doesn't like the way he teaches. Teplo is not sure whether Harris would give him remove. Even he passes the examination, would he get that certificate or not? He says Harris is hardly humane. He's very strict. He also feels sorry for this remark. Crocker Harris never favors and disfavors any students. There is no student who is his favorite and no student who is not liked by him. He just treats every student equally. Teplo has all respect for his teacher. He is afraid of him, but he doesn't dislike him. He wants to play golf but doesn't dare to leave without Crocker's permission. That much he obeys the teacher. His fear is tinged, mixed with respect, not with hatred. We never saw in the text that he hated his teacher, but yes, he was afraid of him. Next is, does Frank seem to encourage Teplo's comments on Crocker Harris? Teplo was commenting, he was imitating. So, do we feel that Frank also encouraged him? Yes. Frank seems to encourage Teplo to comment on Crocker Harris. Teplo was afraid of Crocker Harris. He doesn't dare to leave the class. Frank feels jealous to see the effect Crocker Harris seems to have on students. So he provokes Teplo for the mimicry of Crocker Harris. He asks him to repeat the mimicry and he was having fun in that. What do you gather about Crocker Harris from the play? So kind of character sketch of the teacher Crocker Harris. Crocker Harris is a very strict teacher. He is a man of principles. He is a man of discipline. He is true to his duty. Teplo has missed a day during the week, so he gives extra work to Teplo. He never tells the students about their result before the headmaster declares it on the result declaration day. He never favors and disfavors any student. He gives what one deserves. No less and no more marks. Students are afraid of him, but they don't dislike him. Like Teplo said, in spite of everything, I do rather like him and I can't help it. He said this. Their fear is tinged with respect, not with hatred. We can say that he is an ideal teacher. Now some short questions. Where does Teplo meet Frank and what does Teplo feel about being there? Teplo meets Frank at Mr. Crocker Harris's office where he was waiting for Crocker Harris, but Frank was also sitting there at school. Teplo had been given extra work to do as he had missed a day of school the previous week when he was ill. It was the last day of school and he wished to play golf instead. So he was not liking being there, he just wanted to go out and play golf. What subjects does Teplo want to opt for and why? Teplo wishes to opt for science if he manages good grades. He claims to be really interested in science. When Frank asked him, he said, "No, I'm quite interested in this subject." And feels it is more interesting than studying classics such as the Agamemnon, which he calls muck. It had a lot of Greek words, and Mr. Crocker Harris punished them for not getting them right. So he was not at all interested in this kind of study. So he thought that science can be interested for him. Next, why does Teplo feel that Mr. Crocker Harris is hardly human? It's very important. Teplo feels that putting in extra work would make no difference to Mr. Harris. He had told Teplo that he had got what he deserved. So if he's doing extra work or not, that is not going to increase or decrease his marks. He has got what he deserved. Teplo suspects, doubts he might be awarded with fewer marks to make him do extra work. Teplo thought because he was doing extra work, so maybe he would get less marks. He feels Mr. Harris is unfeeling, worse than a sadist, and thus calls him hardly human. He says that he is not a sadist who feels pleasure out of giving others the pain, but yes, he is feeling less. That is why he said he's hardly human. What does Frank suggest to Teplo about waiting for Mr. Harris? When Teplo tells Frank that he was supposed to meet Mr. Crocker Harris at 6:30, Frank tells Teplo that Mr. Crocker Harris was already 10 minutes late. He suggests that Teplo could go and play golf, but Teplo is shocked and expresses his apprehension, fear. If Mr. Crocker Harris should know, he was certain that nobody had ever done that with Mr. Crocker Harris. No student had run away, no student had disobeyed Mr. Crocker Harris. So Teplo was very afraid of running away. He could not even think about this. Why does Teplo feel that Mr. Harris has no feelings again? He was hardly human according to him. Teplo calls Mr. Harris worse than a sadist. One is required to admit to feelings if he considered a sadist. Mr. Harris's inside feels Teplo is like a nut and he seems to hate people liking him. If somebody is a sadist, he would have to have feelings in his heart. But if we talk about Mr. Crocker Harris, according to Teplo, he was feeling less. So even this person, Mr. Crocker Harris, does not like to be liked. He did not like people liked him. He did not appreciate Teplo appreciating his jokes and embarrassed him in return. When Teplo, out of politeness, laughed at Crocker Harris's joke, which was actually not understood by him, but Mr. Crocker Harris was not polite with him. He made him embarrassed. How did Teplo try to express his liking for Mr. Harris, or what was the outcome? Teplo admits to liking Mr. Crocker Harris and realized he felt uncomfortable about people liking him. He recalls an episode in class where Mr. Crocker Harris made one of his jokes to which nobody laughed. Teplo knew that it was meant to be funny because it was a joke and laughed, to which Mr. Crocker Harris teased Teplo about his knowledge of Latin and asked him to explain the joke to the class. So yes, Teplo liked him. That is the reason Teplo did not want his teacher to feel hurt because nobody understood his joke. Teplo laughed, but Mr. Crocker Harris, he did not like this, and in return, he teased Teplo. Who was Millie Crocker Harris and what was she like? Millie Crocker Harris was the young wife of Mr. Crocker Harris. She was a thin woman in her late 30s and was more smartly dressed than the other schoolmasters' wives. This is it for her. How does Millie Crocker Harris send Teplo away? Millie learns from Teplo that he was waiting for her husband and suggests he leaves for quarter an hour. Since Mr. Harris might be a while, he'll take time. Teplo is hesitant because he did not dare to go without Mr. Crocker's permission. Millie assures him that she would take on the blame if Mr. Harris arrives before that. She finally sends Teplo off to the chemist. So she gives some work to Teplo, and it was his extra work. Now we have some long questions. Write a brief character sketch of Frank Hunter, the young teacher. Frank Hunter was the popular young science teacher. He is liked by the students who feel he can understand them better than Mr. Crocker Harris. Because he was an easy teacher, so the students thought that yes, he was comfortable with the students. He is also popular because he teaches science, which the students find easier to comprehend, understand than classics, which they think is muck. He, however, feels students who take up science are slackers. Teacher thinks Frank that every student who opts science, many of the students who opt science are slackers who avoid their work and don't take much interest in the subject. He's easy to talk to and approachable. He's not that much strict. His attitude puts them at their ease. The students are at their ease with him. Teplo finds he can confide, trust, tell his troubles to him. In fact, he forgets himself enough to refer to his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, as the Croc. He forgot that he was talking to a teacher. He was so comfortable with Frank that he was just speaking his heart out. He was referring Mr. Crocker Harris as Croc, and he also said that Mr. Crocker Harris was hardly a human, because he was at that level of comfort that he shared each and everything he felt. However, Frank, encourages students to talk ill of other teachers. We have seen this. He asked Teplo to repeat the mimicry. He probes, searches the details of the relationship between Mr. Crocker Harris and Teplo. He also encourages Teplo to disobey the teacher's orders and go off. Before meeting Crocker Harris, he said, "Go and play golf." Next, what idea do you form of Teplo after reading the play, the Browning version? So, what have we come to know about Teplo? Teplo is a young boy of 17, studying in the lower 5th grade. He is an obedient and hard-working student. He has great liking for science. He was ordered for extra work by Mr. Crocker Harris, and because of missing school for a day the week before, though he wishes to play golf on the last day before school closes, he obediently turns up to wait for his teacher. He is devoted to Mr. Crocker Harris. When Teplo comes across Mr. Frank, the science teacher, Mr. Frank gets Teplo to discuss Mr. Crocker Harris and also encourages him to leave. But still, Teplo replies that he cannot cut, as Mr. Harris would probably follow him home. So he was having that kind of, you can say, relationship, fear, respect of the teacher. When Mr. Frank insinuates him that his teacher might award him with a fine result for doing extra work, Teplo refutes it, calling Mr. Harris a man of principles. He said, no, it's not with Mr. Crocker Harris. He repeats that Mr. Crocker Harris had told him that he had given him exactly what he deserved. Teplo is a sincere student who respected his teachers. So these were the short and long questions. And now something to improve the spoken English. Today I'm going to tell you some suffix which come and add in the end of the word and give some other meaning. Like first suffix is er or or. Its meaning is a person. Example is like teach, teacher, or doctor. So if these suffixes are added, then it means for a person. ERY, eri, a type or place of work like bakery. Okay. ESS, it makes a feminine form like waitress, tigress, and so many other words. FUL, full, as much as will, full, fill, like spoonful. Okay. Or we can say bowlful, or these kind of words. ING, like an action or result like painting, dancing, singing. Next also we can add like it means similar to or like life like, death like. Okay. OUS, this suffix gives the meaning like full of, joyous, full of joy. Okay. Some, a tendency to, have a nature of, like quarrelsome, means she has a tendency to fight, to quarrel. So these are some of the suffixes. Write them and find out some other words as well. Okay. Have a nice day.